Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to easily download or copy the transcript of your YouTube video. To begin, locate the video you want to download the transcript for. Underneath the video title, you'll see 3 options: Share, Save, and 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. Next, click on Transcript to open the transcript panel, which will appear on the right-hand side of the video. To make it easier to copy the text, click on the 3 dots within the transcript panel to toggle your timestamps off. Now, find the first word of your transcript and click and hold while scrolling to highlight all the text. When you get to the bottom of the transcript, do Command-C for Mac or Control-C for PC to copy the text. Open a new text document and do Command-V for Mac or Control-V for PC to paste the text. Voila! You now have the transcript downloaded. Finally, take a moment to proofread the transcript and make any necessary edits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.